Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is October 6th. It's Friday. We've got some rain coming across the Midwest, certainly slowing down harvest. Certain areas getting a little more rain than they really would like. But lack of news out there. Going to keep things probably rather quiet. Corn, though, overnight about unchanged. Beans down just slightly, but a lot of back and forth trade. A lot of focus will be on what kind of numbers we get next Thursday. So are USDA going to surprise us again? We'll get yield numbers. We're going to get acreage numbers. We're going to get new carryout numbers. So those types of things, it's going to keep some volatility in the market. A lot of chatter out there that we typically get more of a maybe a historical bounce this time of year for beans, that we can generate some kind of a move higher. But when we do that, we tend to keep a focus on South America. Middle of this month, they're going to get planting. We're going to see them start to plant at a pretty good clip. But their weather becomes just as important as ours here. So when we start to plant. So we'll keep an eye on that if we see any kind of direction or see if there's any kind of news from that. But right now, a lot of focus will be on USDA because they've surprised us the last few reports. Will they do it again? And what kind of surprise will that be? So, but that will be next Thursday. But expect to see some choppy trade. Some of the outside markets today, though, showing some red. Crude oil down more than $1. You've got the Dow right now and S&P working lower. The jobs report that came out this morning certainly disappointing, and that's giving us more of this negative tone. The dollar right now trying to firm up a little bit, trying to put in this low, but we'll see if we get any other further reaction. Seems like the financial markets have been just storming higher. Can we see a recovery from this today or not? Probably can, but we'll see. Some of the other news that we have as far as cattle and hogs, cash trade in cattle is going to be king right now. So can we see that? Can we see that happen here today? Some of the early bids and asks are suggesting maybe steady again. So we'll see how that all works today. But keep an eye on these grains. We need to take out some of these resistance or support areas before we really get a lot more movement. We're very sideways, very quiet, and things are a little bit stale. So we'll see what kind of news we get here as we go on. But anyway, hope you guys have a great one. Give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. Have a good weekend. We'll talk to you next week.